Hey guys, I'm Kieran Campbell, registered dietitian and owner of Kieran Campbell Nutrition. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. This channel is for you. I want to provide it with some valuable information for you. So I just felt the need to put together an introduction video introducing myself and kind of telling you what this channel is all about and what you can expect moving forward. Because if you have been subscribed to my YouTube channel already, you'll notice that I mainly have very, very short recipe videos that go along with recipes that I have on my website. But what I am looking forward to in the next coming months and years, however long I'm going to be doing this, which is hopefully a long time, I want to do more longer content videos, things like heart healthy topics that you might be interested in, like caffeine, cholesterol, types of fat, sodium, different types of heart healthy diets. Maybe I can explain them, supplements that may or may not benefit your heart. So things like that I think would be really, really beneficial for a heart patient to know about. So those are things that I kind of want to cover and touch on. I'll also be occasionally having guests on my YouTube channel, just, for an extra expert opinion. We'll talk about, the research too. Obviously, everything's going to be scientifically based. I'd really like the fact that I don't consider myself an influencer. I'm a registered dietitian first and foremost. I don't consider myself an influencer, even though at some point I might become, I'm putting myself out there. So I am influencing people, but it's really, really everything I talk about and all the experts that I have on, we really focus on the science behind, whatever topic we're talking about. So that's really, really important. This isn't clickbait. This isn't just a matter of opinion. Everything is research-based. So I have a lot of ideas, and I'm looking forward to sharing what information I have with you so that you can take it and do whatever you want with it. Hopefully it's to your benefit or the benefit of a friend, a family member, anyone that you think would benefit from it. So feel free to share any of these videos, leave me comments, suggestions, questions, anything really that you think you would want a heart healthy answer to, any other topics that you suggest or want me to speak on. But in the end, this channel was made by me for you. So for more information, you can always visit the website, kcampbellnutrition.com. You can find me on Instagram, and we will just go from there. So thank you guys again so much for being here. I'm super, super excited. And here's to heart health. Have a good one, guys.